Hi everybody, welcome to Taste Test Tuesday. Now on today's Taste Test Tuesday, I'm going to be drinking this. They say this is new. This is Darkest Watermelon Lemonade right here. So I'm going to pour it into a glass. I also have water here that I'm going to be drinking. All right. So they say this is new. Oh, look at the color. That's pretty. So this is Watermelon Lemonade, Sunkissed. It's kind of flat. Yeah, not much bubbles in it. I'm getting like a pink lemonade flavor. I'm not tasting much watermelon, and it's sweet. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of sugar. It looks like 47 plus, no, 43 plus 43. 86%. I don't know if you can see that, but right there, if you want to screenshot it. It is. It's very sweet. It's kind of on the flat side. Yeah. I don't know how I feel about that. This is Feastables Mr. Beast Bar. Almond chocolate with almond chunks. Only 5 ingredients. It's bent like that because when I got it at Walmart. It was hot and it kind of melted, so I put it in the freezer. And this is how it is. But I like my chocolate cold anyway, so we're going to try this Mr. Beast Bar. Almond chocolate. All right. Let's see what we got here. It says Devour right there. I like the looks of it. Let's give it a try. Let's see if it says anything else on it. It just says Devour and Share. Right there. Devour and share. So, let's break off a piece and give it a try. So, I knew it was different. It's almond chocolate with almond chunks. Right there. You know how you can taste the, like, all right, here's what I'm getting. Dark chocolate. You know how they have like that liquor, chocolate liquor flavor? That's what this has. I like it because I love dark chocolate. But, yeah. Here's all the nutrition facts if you want to see it there. But it says it contains cane sugar, organic chocolate liquor. Oh my gosh, see? I didn't even read this. Organic coconut butter, roasted almond chunks, and sunflower lecithin. So that's what's in that. And I like it because I like dark chocolate. Okay, let me get a drink of water. All right. Then Mr. Beast cookies. These are in chocolate chip. They're plant-based, gluten-free. Now, Mr. Beast is very popular, guys. Oh, there he is there. So let's try these. Plant-based and gluten-free. And let's see how we feel about these. There's your nutrition facts. If you want to screenshot it. Ooh, these are little chunky cookies. Look at that. All right. I already know I'm going to like them. Because they're not soft. No GMO, no high fructose corn syrup, no artificial flavorings, no hydrogenated oils. I like it. Serving size is 2 cookies. And this. And I got these at Walmart. They're good. I like them. Not bad. All right. Now I'm going to break up the sweets with these Doritos Hot Mustard flavored. So these are new. And this is a smaller bag that you can get in, you know, like, excuse me, local stores. Okay, right there. Just smells like a Dorito to me. They got the tanginess of a mustard. I like these. Wow. It says flavor on another level. Wow, really good. If you like tangy, here's all the... If you like tangy, you'll like this. They're not, to me, they're not hot. That one I ate was not hot. I got more of a tanginess to it, which I like. That was good. Broke up some of that sweetness. Now more sweetness. All right. Allergies, guys. Oh, I'm telling you. Now, Oreo came out with some new flavors. Limited edition. This one is graham flavored cookie, marshmallow and chocolate flavor cream. So it's S'moreo. Right there. So, let's give this a try. I was looking for that little pull thing on the front, but it's not on there. I'm saving the one I think I'm going to like the best over here. You'll see it in a minute. Okay. So that's what they look like. This smells like an Oreo to me. So these are supposed to be s'moreos. S'mores. All right. Reminds me a little of the vanilla Oreo. I like them because they're crunchy. It's got a lot of nice filling in it. Mmm. Mmm. That does taste like Graham. I was looking for that. Mmm. It does remind you of it. Those are pretty good. I usually don't like when they mess with an Oreo, but that's not bad. That's not bad at all. All right, let's get a drink. All right, and we're gonna try these. The Blackout Cake Flavor Cream Oreo. I don't know what a Blackout Cake is, but they're showing it there. And it says limited edition. And there's all your nutrition facts if you want to screenshot it, if you're interested. Oh, when you're in the store, just look at it, you know. Oh, this does have the pool. Oh, that had the pool, guys. I messed that up. It was right there. All right. Well, yeah, it has the pool. I didn't see it. All right. These smell chocolatey. So it's Blackout Cake. I guess it's just chocolate cake, right? That's what it looks like. Let's give it a try. All chocolate. I like them. Wow, this was a good taste test, Susie. I liked everything except the soda. Out of the two, though, I think that I like the Oreo. The S'moreo better. This has a lot more flavor in it than the chocolate. Yeah, I like that better. I'm going to try another one of these and see if it's any hotter. All right, that one had a little more heat. Yeah, I guess some are hotter than others. So, that's it for Taste Test Tuesday for today. Everything was so good, guys, so good. I like this. If you like dark chocolate, you're going to like that. Almond chocolate. That's good. I like that a lot. And I also like his cookies because they're very crunchy. Yeah, they're good. So that was a hit. These were a hit. I like those a lot. These are all chocolate. Yeah, nothing, just all chocolate. And these were good. This I didn't care for, but I'll drink it. But I think this has more sugar in it than the cotton candy one. You know, the Faygo? I think this is more sugary, if I'm not mistaken. I can't remember. Might even be the same for all I know. Yeah. But anyway, that was my least favorite. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Oh, let me know if you tried any of these and what you thought. Okay? Have a safe day. And until next time, bye now.